Hey, there's so many good beers at this event. That's why Buckles and Brews is something everyone should try at least once.
So we're BYOB. Welcome to Buckles and Brews in Santa Barbara, California. We're BYOB here in Santa Barbara. We're Santa Barbara's only home brewing supply store, where if you love craft beer, you can come and brew it yourself right here in Santa Barbara. We have all the ingredients and equipment that you need to brew your own, whether it's for a party or an upcoming big event, or just for, you know, to have something on that kegerator all the time. Come to BYOB. Thanks, guys.
SOLVANG Brew Co. Got some of our featured beers here today, some of our flagships, which are our Blue Eyed Blonde, our Great Dane, our Raspberry Wheat, and our Valhalla. Some of our specialties we bought is our Blueberry Days and our Amber Ale. Some exclusives that you can only get in Lompoc. But at our other stores, we've got our Odin Stout, and I'd like to definitely highlight our Blue Eyed Blonde, which is one of our gold medal beers. And come on out and see us for some excellent food and some good beer.
Every time it rains, it never really rains at all. Every time it rains, and nothing ever falls.
Hi, Connie here at Three Weavers. Today we are pouring cashmere, which is a hoppy wheat with cashmere and strata hops, a little bit of malted wheat and raw wheat. We also have Return of Sassy Rye IPA. This is a seasonal offering for us that just came out. And we also have Southbounder Coffee Stout. Three Weavers is located in England. We've been there for 4 years. Our founder is Lynn Weaver. She's named after her 3 daughters. And our brewmaster is Alexander Noel.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Robert from Divine Science Brewing, head brewer. We're pouring our gluten-free IPA called Third Contact, which is a reference to the solar eclipse. After artificial darkness is Third Contact, so we're ending artificial darkness for gluten-free beer in Southern California. 100% gluten-free from grain to glass, meaning we don't use any gluten-containing ingredients whatsoever in the process from start to finish. So we're here today at the Buckles and Brews. Really excited to be a part of it. There's awesome brews out here. Really happy to be a part of it.
This thing, mama, I just can't handle this thing, mama. I must get around to it. I ain't ready. There's a little thing called love. This thing, mama, it cries like things all night between.
Hey, we're here at the Buckles and Brews Invitational in Santa Barbara. The Santa Barbara Carriage Museum, and we're doing what we do for the Kiwanis Club of Santa Barbara. I'm here with Ed. Ed,
thank you.
Having a good time?
Ed Quaid, thank you. Welcome here to the Kiwanis event for Buckles and Brews. We're raising money for children in our community, and everybody's having a great time doing it. Thank you to all the vendors that got the beer places here, and we really appreciate doing this work.
So Ed, hey, this thing's blowing up, right? So about 150 more people than last year.
Yeah.
We got about 10 more breweries than last year. Another band. What do you think?
This looks so much fun. There's so many people here right now. Everybody's having a great time. It's joined for a great cause, so it's all good.
So it's not very often where you can like drink beer and it affects the lives of children, right?
Right.
Because usually what happens is you drink beer and then you make a child. Right?
That's right. And our mission in Kiwanis is that we change the world one child, one community at a time. And today we're doing it one beer at a time. So
one beer at a time. Yeah, and it's I'm just stoked. This event is it's the third year. Buckles and Brews has grown from around 22 breweries to about over 30 this year. We have 2 wineries, we have 2 bands, we have more vendors than we've ever had. And this event is really cool because every brewery here brings really, really good beer. Plus, there's only 500 tickets sold, so it's really a true VIP experience. Something a lot different than all the other festivals we do, and we're just glad that the Kiwanis Club is kind of allowing us to do what we do, and I think it's worked out really good.
I think we have a partnership. Andres has helped us to coordinate this event since the inception of it. This is our Kiwanis of Santa Barbara's main fundraising event for the year, and it's really turned out to be a great event. It has replaced a historical event that we had called Pancake Breakfast that we did for 65 years. Well, this is our 3rd year doing the Brew Fest. I'll tell you this, it is our signature event for Santa Barbara Kiwanis. We're looking forward to having many more years in the future.
And
Salud.
Salud. Great breweries, there's not a lot of people here, and everybody brings out some amazing beers. It's one of the great things about it. It's one of my favorite events, and we do a lot of events all year. So let's go find another one.